Hello students, this is your chapter number 7, Environmental Changes. So open your textbook on page number 37. The air that envelops the earth from all sides is known as atmosphere. So the air which envelops the earth means which covers the earth from all the sides is known as atmosphere. The atmosphere is getting polluted due to human activities. Now this atmosphere is getting polluted, प्रदूषित होता है. What is the reason? Due to human activities. The environment gets polluted due to industries, factories, power stations and vehicles. So these are the causes due to which the atmosphere is polluted, that is industries, factories, power stations and vehicles. The changes that occur in temperature, direction of wind, moisture, etc., due to global warming are known as environmental changes. Now, there is changes occur in the temperature, in the direction of wind, जहाँ से हवा बहती है उसकी दिशा, moisture, humidity, and these changes they occur due to global warming, and these are known as environmental changes. Find out the places that experience extreme rain, heat, cold and extreme climatic condition with the help of the given table, and also find out the reason for the same. Below the table is given, the name of the country is given where there is extreme heat, cold and rain, and different measures are given, and you have to find out the reason why such thing happens. What is weather? The condition of temperature, rain and moisture in any region at a particular point of time is known as weather. Now you must have heard this word weather. Today's weather is not good. Today's weather is very bad. Then what is weather? The weather is the condition of temperature, rain and moisture in any region. कोई भी एक जगह का temperature, then rain, बारिश, moisture, humidity of a particular point of time, एक fixed time तक, that is known as weather. What would be the weather of this place? Write your answer in your notebook after carefully observing the given map. Now turn your page number 38. What is climate? The average condition of rain, temperature and moisture for over more than 35 years in any is known as climate. So more than 35 years, 35 साल से ज़्यादा, the average condition of rain, बारिश, temperature and moisture, humidity of any place is known as climate. Then greenhouse farming. Countries with cold climate receive less heat from the sun. This hampers the growth of plants and vegetables. The places of cold climate, that is where it is very cold, at that time the heat received is less, गर्मी कम है वहाँ पे from the sun. Due to this, it hampers the growth of plants and vegetables. Hampers means रुकावट आ जाती है. They do not, the vegetables and plants, they do not grow fine easily because of the cold climate. Hence, arrangements are made to accumulate adequate heat from the sun. So, for this reason, an arrangement is made, व्यवस्था की जाती है to accumulate adequate heat. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गर्मी को accumulate करने के लिए, उनको इकट्ठा करने के लिए arrangement की जाती है. The roof is made. What is the arrangement? The roof is made of either glass or cloth to allow the sun rays to penetrate and sustain the heat inside the building. So the arrangement is that roof is made, छत बनाई जाती है. किसकी छत बनाई जाती है? Of glass or cloth, कपड़े की या ग्लास की. And the sun rays are allowed to penetrate. Penetrate अंदर तक जा सके. Penetrate means allowed to go inside. And due to this, the heat inside increases. and this practice is known as greenhouse farming. ये जो मेथड है उसको हम ग्रीन हाउस फार्मिंग कहते हैं. Now page number 39. Changing climate. Here 6 pictures are given of different types of climate. Write one sentence about each of the pictures given above in your notebook, and the activity is given that you have to watch the picture and you have to write one sentence on it. What is global warming? Global warming refers to an unequal and continual rise in the average temperature of Earth's climate system due to the greenhouse gases. Now, because of this greenhouse farming, greenhouse gases are produced, and due to these greenhouse gases, there is unequal and continual rise in the average temperature of Earth's climate. Continual rise, अब temperature बढ़ता ही जाता है, and it is unequal. And this happens due to the greenhouse gases that are released, and this is referred as global warming. It occurs when certain gases in the atmosphere entrap infrared radiation, UV rays, ultraviolet rays. This effect makes the planet warmer, which subsequently reaches to global warming. Now, when does this global warming occurs? That there are certain gases in the atmosphere, and these gases they are entrapped, फंस जाते हैं ultraviolet rays, and this makes the planet warmer. जो planet है वो गर्म हो जाता है, which subsequently reaches to global warming. Below the picture is given which explains us regarding the global warming. Now turn your page number 40. News from newspaper. Average increase of 5 degrees centigrade in the temperature in West Europe, heat increase. Now in the newspaper you find this, or on the television you also hear this, that the temperature has increased 5 degrees centigrade in West Europe. Due to that, heat has increased. 14 degrees centigrade temperature in Darjeeling reaches to maximum of 28 degrees centigrade. That is, it was 14 degrees centigrade in Darjeeling, which has increased to 28 degrees centigrade in 2009. Snowfall in desert. In desert, there is no water, and there is snowfall. Mumbai received 942 ml rain in one day, that is in 2005. एक दिन में 942 ml बारिश in Bombay. Increasing temperature in Australia. Australia, there is increase in temperature, which is a cold place. Sundarban is submerging. Sundarban जो है वो डूब रहे हैं, submerging. Reduction of 5 km in Khumbu, snow river of Nepal. Ice cap of the size of 3,250 square kilometer melts within 35 days in Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent covered with snow. There it is melting within 35 days. Sources of rivers are drying up. नदी जो sources है जहाँ से नदी निकलती है वो सब सूख रहे हैं. So these are the news from the newspaper. How does the earth gets heated? The greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFC, and halocarbon play an active role in the greenhouse effect. Now the greenhouse effect, we saw that the gases are produced. Which are the gases? The name of the gases are given, and these gases play an active role in greenhouse effect. The increase in the proportion of these gases leads to the problem of global warming and climate change. And when all these gases, their proportion increases, उनकी मात्रा बढ़ जाती है, this lead to the problem of global warming. Global warming takes place and the climate on the earth changes. Increase in the temperature by 0.6 degree centigrade in the last 100 years. Last 100 years the temperature has been increased. 100 years ago the amount of CO2 was 275 ppm. Today it is 350 ppm. Now what is ppm is explained on the next page number 41. ppm means part per million. For example, 28 ppm is equal to 0.28%. So the carbon dioxide gas has increased from 275 ppm to 350 ppm. Now below the table is given and it shows that how much we are responsible in adding to the temperature of the earth. The temperature of the earth is increasing and for that we are also responsible. So how we are responsible? Thermal power station, they release gas up to 9 lakh tons. Motor car yearly 17 crore ton. AC 2 to 30 kg, 24 hours if the AC is working, then this much gas is released. TV 24 hour if it is continuous working, 190 kg. Tube light 24 hours, then 88 kg. Computer 24 hours, then 130 kg. And freeze 24 hours, that is 920 kg. So these are responsible for adding to increase in the temperature on the earth. So students, now rest of the chapter we will continue in the next video.